In today's video, we talk about how to place a stock trade. CIBC Investors Edge 2025. Watch until the end of the video to learn everything you need. Log into CIBC Investors Edge. Go to the CIBC Investors Edge website. Sign in using your CIBC online banking username and password. Navigate to the trading section. Once logged in, go to the Trading tab on the main dashboard. This will direct you to the trading platform where you can place your stock orders. Select Place a Trade. On the trading page, select Place a Trade or Buy Sell. Options depending on the type of order you're placing. Summary of the steps. Log into CIBC Investors Edge website or mobile app. Go to the trading section. Enter stock details, ticker, order type, quantity, price. Review and confirm the order. Submit your order and wait for confirmation. I hope you will learn about the video. Thank you for watching.